Hey guys, it's Miss Howard. We are in the last week before STAR, so we want to take this time to show you guys how to best tackle paired passages. So let's go ahead and get into it. First off, a paired passage is when you are asked questions about two passages, and we have steps to help you guys answer those questions. So step 1, read the passage and make annotations for each paragraph. Step 2, to answer questions, find text evidence and provide the paragraph and line of where the evidence is located. You guys might know this as a P&L chart. And lastly, step 3, create a T-chart to answer questions about both passages. Today, we're just going to focus on steps 1 and 2. So step 1 is read and annotate the passage. But for paired passages, we're going to annotate with hashtags. Right, just like the ones you use on social media. Okay, and our hashtag annotations are going to be the main idea of each paragraph. And those hashtag annotations do not include details. And so going back to social media, hashtags were included to make searches easier and faster. And so that's what these annotations are going to do for us with our passages. It's going to make it easier to go back and find the information to answer the questions. So let's go ahead and practice some of those hashtag annotations. So here's the passage for today's assignment. Let's go through the first few paragraphs and practice making the hashtag annotations together. So paragraph 1, it's winter, 40 degrees below zero. How do you stay warm? How do you survive? Well, that definitely sounds like a hook. They've got questions that we probably want to go ahead and read to get answered. So we'll go ahead and put our annotation in here for hashtag hook. All right, now that that's annotated, let's go on to paragraph 2. Now imagine you were only as big as a person's thumb and weigh no more than a graham cracker. That's about the size of black-capped chickadees. These friendly little birds are often seen at bird feeders throughout the winter. They are plump-looking critters with black, white, and gray feathers, and they live year-round in the forests of North America, from Alaska through Canada and across the northern states. Since they do not migrate to the tropics, when the thermometer drops below freezing, black-capped chickadees have adapted to the cold in amazing ways. So this second paragraph told us a lot of information, and we may need more than one hashtag annotation, and that's okay. So let's go through and pull out the most important information. So they did tell us what this passage is about, and it's about black-capped chickadees. They also told us their size and weight, weighing no more than a graham cracker. They continue telling us more things about their size, they're plump looking, and then also told us a little bit about how they look. They're black, white, and they have gray feathers. So that is enough information to give us a hashtag of the chickadees' size and their color. I'll get that hashtag added for us now. So now that we've got that annotation added, let's continue on in this paragraph. It also says that they live in forests in North America, from Alaska to Canada. And it also says that they don't migrate to the tropics when the temperature drops. Okay, so those are really two important things, that they live year round in North America and they don't migrate, because we know most birds, they migrate south for the winter. These birds don't. So let's get those annotations added. So now that we're done with this paragraph, we'll go ahead and move on to the next. Paragraph 3 says, chickadees living near Fairbanks in interior Alaska experience negative 30 degrees to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit on a regular basis, with temperatures sometimes plunging to negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. Birds have a body temperature of about 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that sometimes there is well over a 100-degree difference between a chickadee's body and the air temperature only an inch away. So this paragraph didn't discuss as many things as the last paragraph did. It's focusing on one thing. What is that one thing that this paragraph focuses on? If you said temperature, you're right. This paragraph is also about the temperatures of where the chickadees live, as well as a chickadee's body temperature. We've now done hashtag annotations for 3 paragraphs. Let's put these annotations to work and answer a question together. So here we are at question number 1. Where do chickadees live? So we need to go back up and check our annotations for anything that would tell us where they live. And if we look at paragraph 2, we have a hashtag where they live. It says here they live year-round in the forests of North America. So our answer is North America, so we can go right down here and just type in North America. Okay, now the second part of our question asks us to copy and paste the line that tells us this. So we'll go right back up to that paragraph and copy that line that told us where they live in North America. So we'll get that line copied and we'll paste it right down here in our answer. So now we've copied and pasted the exact sentence that our answer came from. So now we have to say where it's located, what paragraph and what line. This is what you guys may know of as a P&L chart. So we'll go back up and figure out what paragraph it came from and what line it came from. So it's in paragraph 2, and we'll have to count down to see what line it's in. So we'll just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is about where it started because it says here in North America. So we're at line 5. So paragraph 2, line 5. And there you have it. We have fully answered a question showing our text evidence using our hashtag annotations. Guys, if you have any questions, please email your teacher or come to tutorials at 11 o'clock. All right, see you next time.